In this video, I'm going to show you what it means to use a mixed cell reference in your spreadsheet. So a mixed cell reference is a cell reference that uses an absolute column or row reference, but not both. So in the last video, when we talked about absolute cell references, we put a $sign before both the column and the row in our reference. In a mixed, we only use $1 sign. We have to decide which one we do not want to change. Do we not want the column to change, or do we not want the row to change? So in my spreadsheet that I used in the last video, I'm going to look at cell B21. B21, if I double click in there, I can either look in the formula bar or in here. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit. We are going to take one of the $signs out. We're going to take the $sign out before the 3. So we want to lock our column in, but we do not want to lock our row in. So I'm going to hit enter. So B3, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to show you. So I want to copy cell B21 to cell C22. And to do that, all I have to do is simply put my cursor, my mouse down at the bottom right hand corner, drag it. And if you notice, let's click in here, it says B4 now rather than B3. Since we didn't lock the row in and we used a mixed reference, Excel assumes that since we moved down one row and we copied our formula, it makes an assumption that we want to also move down a row in our reference. So it now says B4. B is locked in, 4 is not. Up here we have B3.